Yeah, good morning. I am Chandramouli. This particular component is applicable to medical screws, and this starts with a bar. Input will be the stainless steel bar, and it will undergo several operations in the primary and the secondary operations. All the operations will be completed, and the finished part will be output without any obstruction from the user or the operator. The component will be finished. And coming to the machine side, this is done in the 5-axis machine. It's a sliding head automat. This consists of main spindle and sub spindle and 21 tools and thread welding attachment and all the motions you can see here. And primary operations are being done with the bar. All the front thread welding attachment is being used for making the thread. And next, the component will be taken by the sub spindle. After taking the sub spindle, secondary operation including the broaching, rotary broaching will be completed and the component will come out and it exits out here. This is the final place of the component and from the bar feeder as the input. Thank you.